Right, well, we're back on site here now, and it's the beginning of May. Richard, do you want to give us a wee update on what's been happening?
Yes, of course. Yeah, we've now, obviously, as you can see, completed the foundations, so all the substructure. We had a bit of additional dig there, as you know, but that's all in, all building control approved and engineer approved. We now wait for Greenhill Engineering to complete the fabrication of the steel.
Yeah, that's underway at the moment, I believe.
It is indeed, yes. They're due back on site on the 27th of May, from memory, and then we'll start back. They'll take a week to erect and plumb and line the steelwork.
Right.
And we'll return to site a week after them to start our block work.
So that's you back on site early June?
It is, yes. First week of June we'll be back to start to commence the block work, the external walls, the internal wall, and then once we have the walls built, the cladding, the Greenhill will be back to do the cladding.
Right.
That would take probably 3 weeks, and after that we can then start forming the subfloor and getting the unit ready for the actual concrete floor.
Well, I think it's fair to say there's going to be a big change over the next 3 to 4 weeks on the site here, and we're going to start to see the signs of a shed emerging from the foundations, as they say.
Yes, very much so. The steelwork, it's somewhat unfair, but steelwork always takes the glory because they come along and within a week look as if they've done more work than us. We've spent 4 weeks doing substructures.
That's sour grapes, Richard. That's sour grapes. So it is.
Yeah, but yeah. So no. It's certainly the week after Greenhill start, it will look and it'll show the scale of the building itself, which is clearly a massive building.
Well, that's great. We look forward to that, sure, and we'll see you soon.
Yes, absolutely.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.